Making reservations. Catering to special requests and accommodations. Hello, English learners, and welcome back to our series on conversational English. Today we're going to explore a very important topic: making reservations at a restaurant. More specifically, we'll focus on how to consider special requests or accommodations during the reservation process. These could include dietary restrictions, seating preferences, and more. Let's get started. Special requests or accommodations are additional requirements or preferences that a customer may have when making a reservation. These could be related to food allergies, dietary restrictions, like vegetarian, vegan, gluten-free needs, accessibility needs for people with disabilities, or even specific seating preferences. Let's illustrate this with some examples. 1. Hello, I'd like to make a reservation for 4 people at 7 p.m. tonight. One of us has a nut allergy. Can you cater to that? 2. Good evening. I need to reserve a table for 6 for tomorrow night. 3 of the guests are vegans. Do you offer vegan options? 3. Hi, I'd like to book a table for 2 for lunch. We would prefer a table by the window. Is that possible? 4. Hello, I would like to reserve a table for 5. One guest uses a wheelchair. Can you accommodate us? Understanding how to make these special requests will help you have a smoother and more enjoyable dining experience. Now let's focus on how to effectively communicate your special requests or accommodations when making a reservation. You need to be clear and concise. Mention the nature of your request, and always be polite. Remember to use phrases like, "Could you?" "Is it possible to?" or "Do you offer?" Here are some examples to consider. 1. Hello, I'd like to make a reservation for 4 people at 7 p.m. tonight. Could you cater to a nut allergy? 2. Good evening. I need to reserve a table for 6 for tomorrow night. Do you offer any vegan options? 3. Hi, I'd like to book a table for 2 for lunch. Is it possible to get a table by the window? 4. Hello, I would like to reserve a table for 5. Can you accommodate a guest who uses a wheelchair? Remember, it's always a good idea to ask these questions or make these requests while making the reservation, as it gives the restaurant time to prepare and accommodate you. And there you have it, learners. Making a reservation and including special requests or accommodations doesn't have to be hard. All it takes is some clear and polite communication. We hope this video has been helpful. Keep practicing, and you'll master this important aspect of English conversation in no time. See you in our next video.